Have you ever wondered if something as ordinary as baking soda could actually improve your health? Not just a little, but in truly surprising, meaningful ways? If you're over 60 and dealing with common health problems like arthritis pain, heartburn, or even fatigue, you may be shocked to discover that this humble white powder could be your new secret weapon. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, isn't just for baking or deodorizing your fridge. Scientists and wellness experts alike are uncovering real, science-backed ways it may help relieve everyday health issues, especially for seniors. And the best part? It's cheap, easy to find, and probably already in your kitchen. Today, we're revealing 10 powerful health benefits of baking soda, how to use it, why it works, and who should be cautious. Stay with us until the end, because one of these might be exactly what your body needs. Let's get started. Number 1. Soothes heartburn and acid reflux. Heartburn affects millions of seniors every day. That uncomfortable burning in your chest or throat after a meal is caused by acid backing up into your esophagus. But here's the good news. Baking soda is a natural antacid that can bring near-instant relief. How? It works by neutralizing stomach acid. Just half a teaspoon of baking soda dissolved in a glass of water can reduce acidity and stop that burning sensation fast. It's even recognized by the medical community as a legitimate remedy for occasional acid reflux. What makes it special for seniors is its accessibility and speed. You don't need a prescription, you don't have to run to the pharmacy, you just need your kitchen. However, don't overuse it. Regular reliance can disrupt your stomach's natural acidity. And if you're on a sodium-restricted diet, speak to your doctor first. Baking soda contains sodium, and too much can affect your blood pressure. Used properly though, this simple remedy can help you enjoy meals again, without the painful aftermath. Number 2. Supports kidney function. If you have chronic kidney disease or are simply concerned about kidney health as you age, baking soda may be more than just a helpful tool, it could be a game changer. One of the major challenges in kidney disease is that the body can't remove enough acid from your blood, leading to a condition called metabolic acidosis. Left untreated, it can speed up kidney damage. Studies, including one from the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology, have shown that daily doses of baking soda can slow this progression. Patients who took sodium bicarbonate had fewer complications and improved kidney function over time. Why does it work? Baking soda acts as a buffer. It helps your body maintain a healthier pH balance, reducing acid buildup that harms your organs. This doesn't mean you should self-medicate. Always talk to your healthcare provider. But under supervision, baking soda may offer a safe, affordable way to support your kidneys, protecting your energy, clarity, and quality of life. Number 3. Eases arthritis pain. For many seniors, joint pain is a daily reality. Rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis cause stiffness, swelling, and fatigue that can limit even basic activities. But baking soda may help calm the root cause, inflammation. In a study published in the Journal of Immunology, researchers found that drinking a small amount of baking soda with water helped shift the body into an anti-inflammatory state. Essentially, it coached the immune system to chill out, rather than attack healthy tissues. For arthritis sufferers, that could mean reduced swelling, less joint pain, and better mobility over time. A typical method is drinking a glass of water mixed with 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda a few times per week. Just be sure to consult your doctor first, especially if you take medications or have high blood pressure. It's a small habit with potentially big impact, bringing relief to sore joints and helping you stay active longer. Number 4. Reduces gout flare-ups. Gout is a painful form of arthritis that can come on suddenly, especially at night, with swelling, redness, and tenderness in the joints, often the big toe. It's caused by a buildup of uric acid in the blood, which forms sharp crystals in the joints. Baking soda, with its alkaline properties, helps neutralize that acid. Drinking a small amount mixed in water can make your body's pH more balanced, reducing uric acid levels and helping prevent those painful attacks. Some studies, such as those in arthritis and rheumatism, support the idea that alkalinizing agents like baking soda can help dissolve uric acid crystals and encourage their removal through urine. The result? Less joint pain, less swelling, and fewer disruptions to your daily life. Just like other remedies on this list, don't go overboard. Start small and monitor how your body responds. And always check with your doctor if you're already being treated for gout or are on diuretics. Number 5. Fights colds and flu. During cold and flu season, baking soda may be a surprising line of defense. It's not a cure, but it can make symptoms more bearable and help you recover faster. Baking soda gargles help soothe sore throats and reduce mouth and throat bacteria. Just mix half a teaspoon into warm water and gargle for 30 seconds, 3 times a day. Many people report relief from scratchiness, swelling, and even post-nasal drip. Baking soda also helps break down mucus, making it easier to breathe and sleep. Adding it to a steam inhalation or a saline nasal rinse may reduce nasal congestion. There's even evidence, published in the Journal of the American Dental Association, that these rinses reduce microbial load and inflammation, supporting faster recovery. It's simple, affordable, and non-toxic. And when you're battling a virus, every little bit of comfort matters. Number 6, improves oral health and brightens teeth. Your smile says a lot about you, and maintaining it as you age is key to confidence and health. Baking soda can help with both. Used in toothpaste or on its own, it gently scrubs away surface stains from coffee, tea, and wine. It also reduces plaque, freshens breath, and helps prevent gum disease. Because baking soda is alkaline, it neutralizes acids in the mouth, making it harder for cavity-causing bacteria to thrive. Studies show that toothpaste containing baking soda is significantly more effective at plaque removal and whitening than those without it. How should seniors use it? Try brushing with a paste made from baking soda and water a few times a week, using a soft toothbrush. Don't overdo it, it's mildly abrasive, and too much can wear enamel. Used wisely, it's a safe, effective way to support oral health and keep your smile radiant. Number 7. Soothes canker sores. Canker sores, those small painful ulcers inside the mouth, can make eating and speaking uncomfortable. They're often triggered by stress, irritation, or nutrient deficiencies. Baking soda helps by neutralizing acids that slow healing. It also has mild antiseptic properties, reducing the bacterial load in the mouth and promoting faster recovery. A simple rinse with half a teaspoon of baking soda in warm water, done twice daily, can bring relief and speed up healing. Studies, including one from the Journal of the American Dental Association, have confirmed that sodium bicarbonate rinses reduce pain and inflammation in canker sore patients. Unlike harsh mouthwashes, baking soda is gentle and won't sting. For seniors dealing with frequent mouth ulcers, it's a safe go-to remedy, right from your kitchen. Number 8. Helps with urinary tract discomfort. Urinary tract infections, or UTIs, are more common as we age, especially for women. They can be, really painful and persistent, causing burning, urgency, and that uncomfortable abdominal pressure. Baking soda may help ease some of the discomfort by neutralizing urine acidity. A less acidic environment actually reduces the burning sensation, and it may make it harder for bacteria to thrive. In a Japanese study, women with recurring UTIs, who took small doses of baking soda daily, reported fewer symptoms and faster recovery. While it's not a replacement for antibiotics, baking soda may be a supportive home remedy that complements medical treatment. Just be cautious if you have kidney or heart issues. Too much sodium can cause problems. If you're prone to UTIs, talk to your doctor about using baking soda as part of your routine. Relief could be simpler than you think. Number 9. Natural antifungal solution. From athlete's foot to yeast infections, fungal issues can cause discomfort and, honestly, a bit of embarrassment. Baking soda offers a chemical-free way to address them. Its alkaline nature disrupts the environment fungi need to thrive. A study in Mycopathologia found that baking soda solutions inhibited 80% of tested fungal strains. For foot fungus, you can try a foot bath with a few tablespoons of baking soda in warm water. Or, just make a paste with water and apply it directly to affected areas. It reduces itching, absorbs moisture, and soothes irritation, all without those expensive creams. For seniors with sensitive skin, or who take multiple medications, this is a safe, effective remedy to consider. Number 10. May help with exercise recovery. Whether you're walking daily, or just trying to stay fit into your golden years, muscle fatigue can really slow you down. Baking soda may offer some unexpected support. During intense activity, your muscles produce lactic acid, which leads to soreness and fatigue. Baking soda helps buffer that acid, delaying the onset of fatigue and improving endurance. Research from the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research confirms that sodium bicarbonate can enhance performance in short, high-intensity exercise, like brisk walking or light aerobics. It's not just for athletes, honestly. Seniors looking to stay active longer may find real benefit in this low-cost solution. Just mix a small amount, around half a teaspoon, with water 60 to 90 minutes before exercise. If you experience bloating, just reduce the dose. Always speak with your doctor first, especially if you have heart or kidney conditions. So there you have it, 10 surprising ways baking soda can support your health, especially as you age. From calming inflammation to easing pain, clearing up infections, and helping you breathe easier, this inexpensive white powder might just be the most powerful thing in your pantry. But remember, natural doesn't mean risk-free. Always start small, monitor how your body reacts, and talk to your healthcare provider if you have any concerns. Which of these uses are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from our community. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe to our channel for more natural wellness tips every week. Thanks for watching, and remember, your best health might start with something as simple as baking soda.